YouTube, we are back with another, with the last of the bag from the last bag. I'm going to start with that. We have this, which is what I thought was a necklace, but it turns out to be like a purse fob. It's really cute. I like that. Then we have a pair of these silver tone clip-on earrings. They're really nice. I like those. So we'll put that there. I'll be right back. Alrighty, sorry about that. Then there was another pair of earrings. These are silver tone, quite faded, but still, you know, in nice condition. Nice vintage condition, I should say. I found these rings. They're like the other one that we found in the beginning. They're different. Chevron rings. Then there's this charm. It's a leaf. Very cute. It's a little worn on the back there. Then there's another charm. It said best friends. Then we have another charm. Or not another charm, but a necklace. It has a pretty dove that hangs on the side. It's pretty. And we have this 10 karat gold star, very tiny, with little diamond chips in there. The back of it. Very, very tiny. Pretty though. I like that. And then we have a sterling silver necklace with this faux amber teardrop. Pretty. It's marked on the back there. And then on the clasp. It's nice. We have another sterling silver necklace. I'm not sure about the charm. The necklace is marked sterling silver. The charm is not marked. But it's a real pretty charm with like a onyx cabochon. Cabochon. It's pretty. Then we have this stone. This is a real stone on a silver tone necklace. It's real pretty. I like that. Very nice. Heavy. And then we have a silver tone beaded necklace. There we go. It's very pretty. We have this cute little turtle. It's a real stone, but I'm not sure what kind of stone it is. Or maybe it's a shell. And it's on one of those cord necklaces, and it's made by AEO, American Eagle Outfitters. And I found these little extenders, and they're marked sterling silver. Italy sterling silver. So that's always nice to have. You could put it with a sterling silver necklace that needs extending. This is gorgeous. My favorite color. Beautiful necklace. And we have another one. This is really pretty. Gold tone. No markings. It's pretty. Then I found two of these nickel necklaces. The heads are upside down, but the backs are right side up. So we have the bull, and then the two hands, shaking hands, nickel necklaces. And the chains are just silver tone, nice and long, like those. Then a gold tone chain, no markings. This butterfly necklace, which was the major culprit of the huge tangle. It's gold tone. I don't think there's a mark on here. I'll check. No, it's just scratches, but it's a pretty necklace. And another gold tone chain. And this is that ball of chain you guys saw me pull out of that bag. Oh, it's crazy. This is a nice and good condition necklace. And another silver tone chain. This cute little necklace, made for like a little girl, rose gold. Very cute, no markings. This is fabric, and then a little circle charm. Here's a gold tone necklace. They're like the liquid silver, but it's liquid gold tone. Nice. Then we have this dolphin ball, which is real pretty, on a cord. This one is really different. It's got this, it's like a Y necklace, little cross here, and then you have these other little stations all the way up with purple wood beads and white wood beads. It's really nice. I think it's pretty. Then we have an angel, no markings, on a cord. This is a silver tone necklace. Just needs some cleaning. Other than that, it's in real good condition. Dip in the Tarnex and you'll be good to go. This is really pretty. This was also a part of the big tangle because it was two chains nestled together on this one charm. It really made it difficult to undo that. That's pretty. This is really pretty. It's made by 1928. There we go. And their stuff always looks sterling, and I know it's not sterling, but it just, I don't know what kind of metal they're using, but they use a really nice sterling look metal. Nice pretty stone beaded necklace, chip beads. This is really cute. It's a, get these charms down here. There we go. Okay, this is how the bauble looks. And that, on the inside of this acrylic piece, is a peacock feather. pretty. On a really long silver tone chain. This is a nice beaded necklace. The beads are glass, not glads. And it comes with a bracelet. So that's nice. Okay. This is a corded necklace with a Chinese coin. Nice. This is a really, really long necklace. It's all beaded. Glass beads with plastic beads. It's pretty. This is different. Someone handmade this. This is polymer clay on a metal base on a silver tone necklace. This is gorgeous. I love, love, love this piece. It is made by Chaps, but it's so beautiful. I love that piece. It's a Y necklace, silver tone, with little metal dangles. Just needs to be cleaned up. This one is gorgeous. Nice big charm. And this is enamel. It's really nice. This is made by let's see, Laura Ashley made this necklace. You can wear it this way or this way. Actually, go over here. This is a wooden piece. I want to say it's handmade. It's really pretty. And I think I even found a pair of earrings to match this. It's pretty. I'll have to look, but I think I know where I put those earrings. It's another beaded necklace. Very long, you could double up. It's a Claire's gold tone, or bronze I should say, necklace. And then here is a bracelet that I think goes perfect with it. Same chain and everything. So that's nice. Here is a pearl necklace. Not real pearls, but pearls nonetheless. They're nice to have in your jewelry box. And this one is real pretty. It's a K with this really pretty pink, and then on a silver tone chain. And this I thought was really different. It's made by Endless Jewelry, and it's leather, but very soft leather with this little charm at the bottom. And then you just pull this out and put it around your neck like a magnet. So that's different. And last but not least, this nice pretty long necklace, gold tone. I think it's pretty. There we go. Lots of charms on it. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. And then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.